Why do ice cream machines always seem to be broken? It turns out there's a surprising mix of technical, operational, and even legal reasons behind this frustrating mystery. Ice cream machines are not simple gadgets. They combine refrigeration, mixing, and heating cycles to create soft serve. Each part must work perfectly to avoid spoiled product or damage. The machines often run non-stop during busy hours, increasing wear and tear. This complexity means even small issues can cause shutdowns, and repairs take time because trained technicians are needed. Health regulations require ice cream machines to be cleaned and sanitized rigorously every day. This involves dismantling parts, scrubbing, and sanitizing to prevent bacteria growth. Because this process can take an hour or more, machines are often broken or unavailable during cleaning. Staff sometimes mark machines as broken to prevent customers from using them during this critical maintenance. Using ice cream machines requires training. Improper use or rushing orders can cause jams or errors. Frontline workers may label machines as broken if they don't have time to fix small issues or if the machine is low on ingredients. This also helps manage customer expectations when demand exceeds supply. So sometimes the broken sign is a way to avoid frustration or overpromising. Another hidden factor is manufacturer policies. Many ice cream machines have warranties that only cover repairs done by certified technicians. This means stores cannot fix machines themselves and must wait for authorized service visits. This delay can make machines seem broken for days. Plus, some manufacturers limit how many machines a store can have to reduce costs, increasing pressure on each machine. So next time you see that broken ice cream machine sign, remember it's not always a simple malfunction. Complex tech, strict hygiene, user challenges, and legal rules all play a part. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and never be left wondering again.